Words have power. They shape our thoughts, our beliefs, and ultimately, our reality. Every word we utter carries a vibration, an energy that influences not only our own mindset but also the world around us. The language we use can either lift us up or bring us down. When we speak words of affirmation, we tap into an incredible force within ourselves. This force is not just a fleeting feeling of positivity, it is a deep, transformative power that can change the course of our lives. This is the power to overcome challenges, to achieve greatness, and to rise above the obstacles that stand in our way. It is the power to push through the difficult times, and to live a life filled with purpose and passion. A life where every day is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become the best version of ourselves. Affirmations are not about denying reality or repeating empty phrases. They are about acknowledging the challenges we face and choosing to focus on the positive aspects of our lives. By consistently affirming our strengths and our potential, we begin to see ourselves in a new light. We start to believe in our ability to create the life we desire. By consciously choosing empowering words, we shift our mindset, boost our confidence, and create a positive ripple effect in our lives. This is the journey we embark on together. A journey of self-discovery, of exploring the depths of our own potential, and of uncovering the unique gifts and talents that we each possess. In today's fast-paced world, men face unique pressures and expectations. The demands of work, relationships, and personal growth can feel overwhelming. It's easy to get caught in a cycle of self-doubt and negativity. This is where affirmations become essential tools for men. They provide a source of strength, resilience, and unwavering belief in oneself. By repeating powerful affirmations, you can reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with thoughts of confidence, courage, and determination. It's time to reclaim your power, to shed the doubts and insecurities that hold you back. It's time to step into the best version of yourself. These two simple words, I am, hold immense power. They are the foundation upon which you build your identity and your reality. When you say I am, you are declaring to the universe who you believe yourself to be. This declaration shapes your thoughts, your actions, and ultimately your life. Whatever follows these words becomes your reality. If you say, I am tired, you will feel tired. If you say, I am energized, you will feel a surge of energy. The words you choose to follow, I am, can either limit you or set you free. By choosing empowering affirmations that resonate with your soul, you can transform your life from the inside out. Affirmations are not just empty words, they are powerful tools that can rewire your brain and change your mindset. When you repeat positive affirmations, you are training your mind to focus on the good, to see opportunities instead of obstacles. I am strong and capable. This affirmation reminds you of your inner strength and your ability to handle whatever comes your way. It empowers you to face challenges with confidence and resilience. I am worthy of success and happiness. This affirmation helps you to recognize your inherent worth and to believe that you deserve all the good things that life has to offer. It encourages you to pursue your dreams and to embrace joy. I am resilient and overcome any obstacle. Life is full of challenges, but this affirmation reminds you that you have the strength and the determination to overcome them. It encourages you to keep going, even when things get tough. I am intelligent and resourceful. This affirmation boosts your confidence in your abilities and your problem-solving skills. It reminds you that you have the knowledge and the creativity to find solutions to any problem. I am a leader in my own life. This affirmation empowers you to take control of your life and to make decisions that are in alignment with your values and your goals. It encourages you to be proactive and to take responsibility for your own happiness. I am committed to my growth and development. This affirmation reminds you of the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. It encourages you to seek out new experiences and to always strive to be the best version of yourself. I am grateful for all the good in my life. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform your perspective and your life. This affirmation encourages you to focus on the positive and to appreciate all the blessings in your life. I am attracting abundance and prosperity. This affirmation helps you to cultivate a mindset of abundance and to believe that you are worthy of success and prosperity. It encourages you to take action towards your goals and to trust that the universe will support you. I'm confident and self-assured. Confidence is key to achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. This affirmation boosts your self-esteem and encourages you to believe in yourself and your abilities. I am living my life with purpose and passion. This affirmation encourages you to pursue your passions and to live a life that is true to your values and your dreams. It reminds you that you have the power to create a life that is meaningful and fulfilling. These are just a few examples to ignite your spirit. There are countless affirmations that you can use to empower yourself and to create the life you desire. The key is to choose affirmations that resonate with you and to repeat them regularly. Choose the affirmations that speak to you most powerfully and make them your own. Write them down, say them out loud, and believe in them with all your heart. With time and practice, you will see the positive changes in your life. Imagine standing tall and proud like a majestic mountain, weather-beaten yet unyielding. Your roots run deep, grounding you in strength and stability. No storm can shake you, no challenge can break you. This is the power of the I Am affirmations. They connect you to an inner strength that is unwavering and resilient. Just as a mountain withstands the test of time, so too can you overcome any adversity with courage and determination. Embrace the strength within you. Believe in your ability to persevere. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Section 6. Hard work, smart work, the winning combination. Affirmations are not magic spells. They are not shortcuts to success. They work best when combined with dedicated effort and a commitment to excellence. Embrace the power of hard work, but also the importance of working smart. Seek out knowledge, develop new skills, and find mentors who can guide you. Be strategic in your actions, set realistic goals, and celebrate your progress along the way. Success is a journey, not a destination. Remember, your affirmations are fuel for your fire. They ignite your motivation and keep you moving forward even when the going gets tough. Section 7. Integrating affirmations, a ritual for success. To truly harness the transformative power of affirmations, it's essential to integrate them into your daily routine. Make it a ritual. This isn't just about saying words, it's about creating a lifestyle that supports your goals and dreams. By embedding affirmations into your daily activities, you create a constant reminder of your intentions and aspirations. Start your day by looking in the mirror and repeating your chosen affirmations with conviction. Feel the power of your words as you speak them. Visualize the outcomes you desire as if they are already happening. This practice sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Write them down in a journal. The act of writing reinforces your commitment and helps to clarify your thoughts. Each time you put pen to paper, you are solidifying your intentions and making them more tangible. This simple act can have a profound impact on your mindset. Listen to them as you drive to work. Turn your commute into a time of reflection and affirmation. Let the words sink in as you navigate through your day. This practice can transform mundane moments into opportunities for growth and positivity. Surround yourself with visual reminders. Place images and quotes that resonate with your affirmations around your home and workspace. These visual cues will keep your goals at the forefront of your mind, helping you stay focused and motivated throughout the day. The more you reinforce these positive beliefs, the deeper they will become ingrained in your subconscious. Remember, consistency is key. Just like any other habit, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Over time, these affirmations will become a part of who you are. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more powerful they become. Repetition is a powerful tool for reprogramming your mind. Each time you say your affirmations, you are reinforcing your belief in them and in yourself. Make them a part of your daily life, and watch as your mindset and your reality begin to shift. Embrace the journey and trust the process. With dedication and persistence, you will see the changes you desire manifest in your life. Your affirmations are the seeds of your future success. Section 8. Witness the transformation from doubt to confidence. As you consistently practice these affirmations, you'll start to notice a profound shift within yourself. Doubts will fade, replaced by unwavering confidence. Fears will diminish, replaced by a sense of courage and determination. You'll find yourself approaching challenges with a newfound sense of ease and resilience. You'll attract positive people and opportunities into your life. You'll begin to live with a sense of purpose and fulfillment that you never thought possible. This is the power of affirmations. They empower you to step into your greatness and create the life you've always dreamed of. Section 9. Your journey begins now. Embrace the power of I Am. The journey of self-improvement is ongoing, But the first step is often the most important. Today, choose to embrace the power of I am affirmations. Write down your own affirmations, incorporating the imagery of mountains and waterfalls. Make them personal, make them powerful, make them yours. Repeat them daily, believe in their truth, and watch as your life begins to transform. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. It's time to unleash that power and create a life of purpose, passion, and extraordinary success. Your journey starts now. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.